Titanium, with its strength and corrosion resistance, is the ideal material for the aerospace and medical industries. However, titanium's low thermal conductivity and abrasive chips present unique challenges to toolmakers, including early tool wear, thermal deformation, and workpiece distortion. Hyperion offers 3 blank design solutions to help toolmakers overcome the challenges of machining titanium. Paired with the appropriate coolant system, these rods significantly improve tooling life, in-cut precision, and efficiency throughout the machining process. The first available solution is to use solid blanks with a flood cooling system. Since the flood cooling system surrounds the cutting tool and reaches the cutting edges effectively, tools can be made from standard solid carbide rods. Solid carbide blanks are the optimal choice for high-volume operations where cutting tools are changed frequently and cost is a priority. Solid blanks are budget-friendly, readily available, and have quick delivery times. Next, toolmakers can utilize standard coolant rods with through-tool cooling, which provides direct delivery of the coolant to the cutting zone, thereby preventing overheating and workpiece deformation. This option is perfect for toolmakers looking to enhance tooling life and precision in complex applications, such as continuous milling of titanium compressor housing, engine blades, and vanes, without making a significant investment. Through-tool cooling prevents overheating, tool wear, and workpiece deformation, leading to minimized scrap material and tool failures. Finally, toolmakers can outperform the competition with tailored coolant rods and through-tool cooling. These rods are custom-tailored to specific requirements with precision engineering and strict blank tolerances. Tailored coolant rods are the optimal choice for highly specialized cutting operations, such as deep hole drilling and deep pocket milling in titanium turbine discs, or drilling large numbers of consistent holes in titanium engine casings. While tailored rods come with a greater investment, they increase tool life, reduce wear, and reduce the risk of damaging the titanium piece, improving in-cut time for OEM and aerospace Tier 1 and 2 players. Titanium presents unique challenges to toolmakers, but with the right combination of carbide rod and coolant system, toolmakers can develop round tools tailored to achieve specific performance requirements in their customers' unique applications. Learn how Hyperion's portfolio of carbide rods can help optimize tooling for titanium machining. Visit the website today.